Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable Valentine's Day shirt using your Cricut and mesh iron-on vinyl. You can see it's got this very cute heart design in the vinyl. Super easy to make, especially if you already know how to use Cricut's iron-on. Let's get started. To make the Valentine shirt, we're going to be using this everyday iron-on mesh, and it's a mesh vinyl, which means it's just a regular iron-on vinyl with little holes in it and different cutouts. This one has hearts on it, so it is perfect for using for Valentine's Day. And then I've also just got a plain jersey cotton, so it's a little bit stretchy t-shirt. Of course, I'm going to be using my Cricut. I have the Cricut Maker, and I've got my Easy Press, or you can just use a hot iron if that's all you've got. Put the vinyl on your mat. Make sure that if there's a directional print on yours, like your hearts, make sure they're going the right way. And you'll want the plasticky clear side to go face down on the mat. So plastic side down on the mat, because that is just the lining. Make sure that your design is mirrored just like you would with any other iron-on vinyl. And go ahead and cut. Unload that. I'm going to cut off the excess just to make it easier to weed, and then I can even use some of these scraps if I want to later. And then weeding for this is going to be a little bit different because it has all of these holes in it, but it will basically be the same process. Mine's going to be easy because it is a very simple shape. Make sure to get every little piece off. And then I've got my heart ready to go on the shirt. Preheat your Easy Press to 315 degrees, and we're going to be pressing it for 30 seconds. Now, while you're waiting for that to heat up, there's something that we can do to make this a little bit easier. For my design here, I can tell where the middle is, but in case you didn't have a design like that, you can slightly fold and crease the edges of your iron-on. That way you know exactly where middle is going to be for your design. And then for our shirt, we can do the same thing and iron and crease the shirt in half so that we can line up the halves later. And I'll just do that while this is heating up. It's not all the way heated up yet, but it's warm enough to give me a little crease. And then you can also, to help yourself line things up, you can take the armpits and fold up from there and give yourself a crease for that. So now I know exactly where my horizontal straight line is and exactly where my middle is. And then I can take my design. You want to put it with the shiny plastic liner side up. And then I know wherever I folded the design, where I have the two creases on my plastic backing here, is where I would line up with the crease on the shirt. And doing that ironing in the beginning also acts as a preheating, since you're supposed to preheat the fabric before you use your Easy Press. So now that that's on, I'm going to place my Easy Press over the entire design. And with light pressure, iron it for 30 seconds. Then flip your shirt over. I'm going to lower the time down to 15 seconds and iron, trying to cover the entire design again for 15 seconds. Once that's cool, go ahead and slowly peel off the backing. And you've got a super cute shirt all ready for Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoyed making this fun Valentine's Day shirt. My daughter is super excited to wear it, and have a great Valentine's Day.